Do you want to see what I made with this? Keep watching. Hello fellow yarn lovers, it is day 17. Yes, it's day 17. Oh my god, day 17 already. Anyway, day 17 of the yarn advent calendar opening. So let's get some yarn advent calendars open. But first, let's talk about this hat. This is the Hobby Universe Halloween yarn, and I had stalked this and wanted this for the longest time. I don't know if you can see it. It's like got a pink, like metallic-y. No, is it pink? It's like a rose gold thread running through it. So I'll see if I can get the tutorial and link it down below, because I followed a Sentro, like a 48 pin knitting machine tutorial for this. But if I just flip it down, like look at the pattern that I did. It involved like going around the pegs with the yarn. So it wasn't a fast project. It probably took me like a good 45 minutes to an hour. But like it's really good. And then I just tied a really fluffy pom-pom on and got a hairdryer and poofed it. So yeah, I think this only comes out once a year, so you can either probably get it like second hand in some, like, I don't know, Facebook groups, or you can just wait for it to come out again, or you could just get the normal stuff, but like wait till it goes on discount, because this is like £10 a ball, and I think I bought it when they had free shipping to the UK, and it was like down to £4, and then because of Hobby Bingo I had like an 8% code. Anyway, that's that. So that's my winter hat for this season. And right, let's do day 17. I've got a feeling that this one might be like a repeat of the cotton one. I don't know. Oh, it is. We all know how I feel about cotton. Oh, okay. It's a nicer colour than the last one. The last one I got was red. So vintage cotton. It's it doesn't say how long it is. It's 80% recycled cotton and 20% other fibre. I mean, at least it's a better colour than the red one, because I found the red one. Where's the red one? Right, I found the red one. The red one was like, it's like a washed out kind of red. This one, it's okay. And you guys know how I feel about cotton. I'm not its biggest fan. I've not found a project which has made me enthusiastic about cotton. You never know. I mean, to be fair, I did buy cotton to go in my car, so I'm going to make some granny square things to like bouge my car out with, because I've got leather seats and I don't want my butt cheeks sticking to it in the summer, especially when it's the temperature of the sun. So yeah, they could come in handy there, or I don't know. Like, I love this yarn advent calendar, but I just don't want. I don't want that one. You know what it is? I'm going to give this to my crochet club at school. I will gift it, because some of the children do like crocheting with cotton. Anyway, let's move on to the other advent calendar. And here it is. Right, day 17. It's this cute looking little lamb here. Let me just open it up. Oh, it's purple. Got some stuffing. That is such a nice purple. Do I have any purples that colour? I don't think so. That's nice. It does feel like it's a bit cottony, but it's nicer than this. So maybe I've just not experienced enough cotton types of yarn to like it. I don't know. I'll have a look in a second. We've got some like silvery, sparkly yarn. I don't know what this could be. There's a pattern. There's just two colours. Let's have a look at this pattern. Oh, it's a cracker. Oh. Okay. Let me just cover this. So it's a little cracker. That's cool. Can we get a bit closer? I like it. That's quite nice. That's going to make a nice like cracker colour. Yeah, that yarn definitely feels better than this. So this is Cedar Stories in the colour Queen. And then this is King Cole Glitz in silver. And then obviously that's like the stuffing to stuff the cracker. So that's nice. I mean, to be fair, if that's like the standard of normal cottons, then I probably wouldn't mind working with that. But yeah, I've just, like I say, I've not had much experience working with cottons, and whatever I have had, I've not been that impressed. Anyway, let me put this down, and I'm just gonna send you straight away to day, what day is it tomorrow? 18. I'll see you for day 18 tomorrow. It is now the 18th, so let's get this bad boy open. I don't think I've got anything to share with you today. It's been pretty hectic at work, so yeah, let's get on with the 18th, shall we? Right, I'm just gonna feel for sweeties. I don't think there's a sweetie in this one. It feels nice and squishy though. Let's have a look. I see pink. I see pink. Oh, what's this? Oh, good old-fashioned DK funky prints. It's been a few days since we had one of these good old-fashioned DKs. This one is colour 17, 100% acrylic, 280 meters, and it feels really nice. It's not like softy soft, like it's not like, how can I put this? It's not like this Elite, like this yarn art Elite. It's not that soft, but it's not far off. It's just like a good basic DK, which is I think I'm going to stick this on my Sentro, and I'm just going to see what a hat looks like with it. And once I do that, I will share this with you. I don't know if I'm going to have time to do it because, I think I'm going to have to do 19 and 20, like on probably tomorrow, because we're going away on the Friday. So I'll probably do 19 and 20 tomorrow and merge them into the same video. And if I've got any updates on projects, then I will share the updates with projects. But what we need to do first is open the smaller advent calendar. So day 18, coming to the end of the third row now. It is, I see yellow. What was that one? Oh God. That was a cracker yesterday. Right, there's loads of little gold beads have just fallen out of this. I've got, now what is this? I've got red, that feels like acrylic. Tiny bit of yellow, feeling very acrylic. Quite a lot of brown. What is brown and yellow and red? Is it a bear? I don't know why I said a bear. Nothing else in here. Let's have a look at this pattern. It's a robin! Oh, look at this. Oh, you must use one of the styrofoam balls. Can you see the little robin's picture? There's a little robin. Robin redbreast. Okay, cool. I like that. It looks kind of hard. I might sacrifice that one to make 2 of the granny spirally balls. I don't know. It's getting really close to Christmas and I'm literally away until Monday. So yeah, I think I'm going to do the 19th and the 20th in the same day. And then, like, these videos are going to be a bit crazy. Is this all back in here? Yes. Right. I have no more updates. So I'm going to see you tomorrow for days 19 and 20 merged into one. Honestly, I am a twit sometimes. I've just spent a good 5 minutes rummaging through the yarn advent calendar bag, looking for 18, and I was like, where is it? Where is it? It's been forgotten. 18 was yesterday. Anyway, right, so I have corrected myself. I have got 19 here, I've got 20 here, and I've got the little one just there. So we need to do 2 in one day because tomorrow I'm going up to the northwest. Me and other half are going off gallivanting. We're going for a nice din-dins, a bit of a social gathering type thing. So yeah, basically I need to try and get this edited and ready to release, but I don't know if I'm going to have internet access, like where we're going. Like obviously we'll have internet access, but not enough to like upload videos, etc. So this will probably go out Monday or Tuesday, I'm not sure. Anyway, so let me just I'll crack on, shall I? I'll just crack on with this. So number 19. Okay, I don't feel sweeties. Okay, I see you. It is another Signet Petal DK in the shade Apple. We already know the details for this. It is 100 grams, it is 270 meters, it's 100% acrylic, it is wash at 40, etc, etc. The other one is right here. Are these even the same dye lot? I'm guessing so. Let's have a look. Apple in, yeah, same dye lot, cool. So these can be used together, maybe in the patterns, maybe not, I don't know. But I'm actually, what day is it now? It is the 19th, so I've only got 6 days till I find out what patterns are actually in that little book. So let me just put this one back here and then we will get on to day 20. It's only right that we do the little one. Let's do the little one. So we're starting the 4th and final row. Other things are trying to still burst out because I've not made them yet. I just don't have time. Honestly, December's so busy. Right, number 19. I can see floof. There's some padding. I'll just put that there for a second. We have, it's just green. It's just like a lime green. It feels cottony. Let's have a look at this pattern. If it's just green, I don't know, what's just green? Like, what on earth? No way. Anyway, it's a King Cole Cotton Soft DK in lime, and it is a sprout. I actually will make this. This is cool. Let me just hide the pattern. So can you see the little sprout right there? I don't know if my light's picking it up. It is a Brussels sprout. That's really cool. Anyway, right, I'll put this back and we're going to crack on with day 20 in there. Right, on to day 20. Which side? I feel a sweetie. Let me open here. Oh, this one's in good. We have a blackcurrant sweetie. I'm going to eat that in like 2 minutes. Oh, right. Signet Pato Everyday DK in the shade Cranberry. We have got, I think we have 2 of these. This will go with this one here. Actually, we have this shade. It's literally right there. So that's 3. We've got one there. We've got one there. So 3 of these in the shade Cranberry. We already know 270 meters. It is wash at 40. It is 100% acrylic. So yes, 3 of these. It must be a big project if it's in that book. Maybe there's a choice of projects. I don't know. Hey, if it's for a scarf, that'll be cool. Imagine if you could like make like a red hooded scarf, like a red and green. Thing is, if I'm going to make it, I don't want it to be too Christmassy, because if it's actually really nice, I don't just want to be limited to wearing it at Christmas. Anyway, that's that one. Oh, and I did forget to say, I'm just smacking everything here. I don't have my heart cardigan, but here is a picture of it here. The hearts in this cardigan are actually made with this. I don't know if it's this colour or if it's that one, because I made it like, God, nearly a year ago now. However, if you've seen me wearing that cardigan, like this is what the hearts inside it are made of. And I think it's just Stylecraft Special DK in black. I think. I don't know. I have a lot of yarn. It could be anything. But I know the hearts are definitely this, because I bought this in York in a charity shop, like a cancer research shop, and that's what I basically used my hearts for. So yes, right, let's do this little one. Number 10 just burst open. Give me a second. Number 20. Let's get it open. Oh, there's the tiniest little bit of red. The very, very fluffy chenille white. Some, I don't know what that is. It looks like 2 eyes and then 3 other sew-on black dots. We have a lot of this cottony brown. And what's the pattern? I can't think. Something with a hat on, maybe? I don't know. Let's have a look. Oh my God. It's a gingerbread man. Oh, that's so cute. That looks really complicated. Oh no, it's not that complicated. I think you've just got to make it in pieces. Wow, this is that's really cool though. Look at it. Isn't he so cool? So like, what's the all right? So we've got 2 for the eyes, these little button things. 2 for the eyes, and then 3 for the little gumdrop buttons. And then we've got some. That's like for the wiggles on the arms and legs. Oh dear, bit of fluff there. And then we've got a little red smile. So that's really cool. He's going to be a cotton gingerbread man. So I like that. I think there might be enough to make 2, but I'm not 100%. But it looks like there should be enough to make 2 there, so that's really cool. It's such, I can't show you the full thing, but it's like, it's quite intimidating, like, to follow a pattern like this. But my brain literally just looks at it, and my brain like knows what to do just by looking at it. So probably not the ends of the hands and feet, I'm guessing, but anyway, let's see what happens. I'm going to try and make it. To be honest, some of these I might not get to make before Christmas, because obviously like going away and you're just like making stuff and being generally busy. So I'll try and make as many as I can. And plus, since I'm going to be doing like a weekly video, then I can probably just stick them into my weekly videos, and then I'll just have like a little special dedicated drawer, because so if I'm putting loads of time into making these little cute things, I don't want them living like where the rest of the Christmas decorations live, because you know, like when your Christmas decorations have been somewhere and they smell a bit foisty, because they just go up there for like the whole year. They either go in the attic, or we keep them in the downstairs cupboard under the stairs, which is like attic-y basically. It just like, it goes a bit, not damp, but it just smells old and a bit musty. So I don't want these to smell like that. I'm going to dedicate a place in this crazy craft room for them. So anyway, that was cool. So once I'm back on probably Monday, I'm going to do the rest of them, and I might just stick them all in one video. This one ends on the 24th, and I think there was something to open. Is that it? 25th of December, so I'll open that. I think that was with this. Honestly, this desk is a mess. Anyway, so yes, I will open the rest of them, and then I might just have to upload like everything like on Tuesday, and if I can't, then you guys are going to get a video on Christmas Day, I guess. So that was days, what days was that? That was days 17, 18, 19 and 20. I'll see you in the next video, where we will open the rest of them and the rest of the big calendar. Bye!